We are a vascular surgery practice here in Charleston, South Carolina, but we have locations throughout the entire low country. Our foundation and mission really is to preserve patients' independence, especially with regards to lower extremity vascular care. And so part of that really includes treatment of patients' vein system, arterial system, and the wounds that may happen. Here in South Carolina, we have one of the largest amputation rates in the nation. We are second and third in the Columbia area and in the North Charleston area, and we wanted to change that. And for the last 2 to 3 years, our main focus has been dropping the amputation rate here substantially. When I think about vascular health, I think that's the 10,000-foot view goal for our practice. But I also think vascular health on a more micro level means treating the patient individually. So focusing on their problems specifically so they can maintain independence. I think what's unique about Coastal Vascular and Vein from other vascular surgery practices is that we have a very defined mission. So I think our practice is unique in the sense that we're the only ones that are able to combine the treatments for all lower extremity vascular needs.